Do you really know your audience? Do you know them specifically? And if the answer to that is maybe or no, then there's a little bit of work to do here so that you can make the best content possible. When you truly understand your audience, you understand what they desire. You understand what their resistance is to purchasing your product or engaging your services. And when you understand what stops them, you can help them overcome that resistance and take action with you. So it's important to truly understand who your audience is. Know where they hang out. What platforms are they using to engage with content? What physical locations are they hanging out? What are their dreams and desires? What language do they speak? Now, it's not as simple as English or Swahili, but more, what are the words that resonate with them in helping them get to their desired end goal? So make sure you're really specific about who these people are, where they hang out, what they want from you, and how you can help them. And that way you can deliver a great message to them that increases the desirability of your product or service and overcomes any resistance they have to making that purchase or engaging you. If you've got any questions about this topic or any others, please feel free to hit me up. Otherwise, get out there and create.